Hello, everybody. So I'll be continuing our series on installing and configuring Charles Proxy. Just to recap, we've gone ahead and installed Charles Certificate and added it to our Java key store. We have configured Charles Proxy and the local atom properties as well. And finally, what we want to do is monitor some HTTP traffic. So let's go ahead and do that. So here I have a Gmail REST API, which uses the HTTP client. All right, let's save, let's run it. All right, looks good. Everything is green. Wait, okay, so we have a bad request. Let's go ahead and see what happened in Charles. So quick way to filter, let's just go ahead and filter by Google. All right, so we see the 400 error code, and that's consistent with the error here. Now, one thing that's great about Charles is that we could see the actual request that we're sending to the API. So everything looks good. We have our post, we have our auth key, and here's our body. So since I know how the API works, it looks like I've sent the wrong request body here. So this should be raw. Let's go ahead and change that. Okay, raw, save, and let's go ahead and test this now. All right, so it's successfully sent. Let's check Charles. Okay, here we have a 200 instead of 400, and we can see the request body coming in. We've got another API that we could use. Since this is a S3 REST, it is utilizing a REST API, and we should be able to see the request in Charles. Let's go ahead and so we have a 200. This is to my Amazon S3 bucket, and we're just going to be pulling a simple text file. We have 200. We can see TLS protocols. You can see the size of the request, the size of the response, and we can actually even see the file returned. So if I go to connection data, you can see 01. It's just a very simple text file. And that's all for monitoring HTTP traffic. Thank you all. Have a great day. Goodbye.